Blessings to you, kiddos, and welcome to Let's Get Drawing. I'm your art teacher, Mrs. Burns, and I'm here today with Ian, and he's going to help us draw a new picture. We've been studying Greek and Roman mythology this year in art class, and we've been drawing together these pictures from how to draw ancient Greek stuff real easy. So we've selected another picture. Ian, go ahead and grab your picture and let's show them what we're going to draw today. Okay, when we are finished today with our step-by-step plan, hopefully you'll have something that looks like one of these guys, which is an octopus, or according to Greek mythology, a monster of the deep. Okay guys, you need to go ahead and grab some paper. This is just plain copy paper, and we are going to draw with a pen, but you guys need to grab something to draw with. You can use a pencil at home. Ian, why should you use a pencil?
Because if you mess up, you can erase it.
That's exactly right. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started on this guy, and we'll try to keep him in the center of our paper, but we're going to start sort of up high, up here. Make sure your paper is turned vertically. And let's go ahead and draw the top of his head, and that's going to be kind of a curvy shape, sort of like that. Good. All right, and then the sides of his head kind of wiggle out and back in a couple of times, so let's do that together. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm going to come out and back in. Good. And then the same thing on the other side. I'm going to go out and back in. All right, and then one more time, we're going to go out and back in. And then the other side, out and back in. All right, that's his big old head. Now we're going to do two eyes, and they're going to be oval shapes right here in this section. Okay, that's all right. That's okay. Let's just do another one and just put them like touching, kind of in the middle. Oh, I like it. That looks great. We're just here to have fun. They don't have to all look exactly the same. So then do another oval shape inside of that, Ian. Oh, I like it. And then I'm going to do a circle in the middle, and I'm going to color in this part right here. There we go. Okay, you coloring yours in? Okay, guys, we've got to do 8 arms on this octopus, so let's go ahead and get started with his arms. And we're probably going to do 3 here, 2 at the bottom, and 3 over here. So let's go ahead and start with the first one. Ian, we're going to start, and we're going to do a line that comes up and curls at the end, sort of like an S shape, okay? So we're going to go down and up and curl. Oh, you got a little guy. All right, ready? And then we're going to draw another line that kind of is like that first one. This is the other side of his arm. Pull that back in. Good, stop right there. And then we're going to do sort of a U shape to get started with that next one, and we're going to do the same thing. We're going to curl up and make a little S curl at the end. Good. Okay. And then we're going to draw the other side. Come all the way down. Maybe stop about right there. Got it? Perfect. Okay, and then one more on this side before we do the ones at the bottom. So come up, and then it's going to go under a little bit. Curl here. Oh, I love it, Ian. It looks great. Okay.
Oh, no.
It's okay. Just follow it. Bring it all the way back out and back down and under. You got it. And then down at the bottom, and one more U shape right there at the end. So right here, curl back out because we got to do one more at the bottom. All right, and so this one is going to curl in this way. I think I have ink on my hand. Okay, here we go. Curl down and around like I'm doing a circle, and then stop. Good. And then do the other one, other side. Comes back in, and this one is going to come right there and stop. Good, you ready? Okay, let's do the other one, and then this one is going to kind of mirror image that one. So I'm going to come down this way, and I'm going to go out and back in and stop. All right, and then Let's come this way and go back out and around and this way. All right, guys, let's see where we were. Right here. So we've just finished this leg that comes down and around and back up. It's kind of a mirror of that leg. And then we've got to do 3 more coming up this side. So I'm going to start right here and I'm going to bring a line up and curl it. Good. And then I'm going to do the other side and curl it back in. We're going to come in here and do a little U, turn back around. And we're going to come back up and do another one, curl it. And all the way back down, curl it, and we got to get one more in there. You got yours? Oh, you're fast. You've already got all 3 in. Okay, I got to do one more in, and it's going to come out and up this way. And then we're going to curl it back down, and I'm going to connect it right there. And guys, don't forget that you can pause this video at any time if we're going too fast. And now I think we're ready to do a little bit of the details. So let's come underneath, and under each one of these arms, we're going to do the little, like, they're called suckers, I think, the little suction cups that go underneath these arms. And we're just going to make those with a bunch of U shapes, and I'm going to try to go through them pretty quick. But like I said, if you need to pause the video to catch up, that is perfectly fine. So we're going to do this little pattern all the way down these arms. Keep them going all the way around. All the way to the end. How you doing? Fitting them in there?
Yeah.
Good.
I got 4.
All right. Man, you're going faster than me. I gotta hurry up. Go. All the way to the end. Here we go. There we are. All right, and then down here underneath. How do you do that so fast? Keep going to the end. All right, I'm halfway there. Here we go.
I did them on the wrong side.
That's okay. We'll pretend like his arm's all twisted around. He can do that in the water, right? Remember what I said. These do not have to be perfect. We're just here to have fun and to make some silly drawings. Keep going all the way around. Oh, my hand's getting tired. Okay, here we go. Almost there. When I get this finished, I'll move my hand so you can see the whole picture. Almost. One more. Yay. All right. Okay, and then Ian, if you have room, yours is smaller than mine, so you might not have room, but since I have some room in here, I'm going to come back and real quickly put some little tiny dots in all of those little suckers. All the way around. And I'm going as fast as I can. Go, go. Little dots everywhere. There we go. Go, fast. Are you putting dots?
No.
No? Okay, that's all right. All right. Almost there. Okay, halfway. Ian, what was that octopus you were telling me about? What kind? What was it called?
The blue-ringed octopus.
A blue-ringed octopus. That one was pretty cool. We looked up some pictures of him. All right. Here we go. Last one. Almost there. Yay. Hand cramp. Okay. Last thing we need to do is maybe a little bit of just shading on the side of his face or something here. Just a few little detail marks. And oh, look at you. You are already done. That's because you didn't do the dots though. So I'm going to do just a little bit maybe down this side. And then I think we're done. Oh, you gave him a smile. I like him. He's cute. Okay. So now, guys, we are going to color. So you can color at home with anything you'd like. You can use markers. You can use crayons. You can use watercolors. Or we're going to use colored pencils. And we're going to go ahead and fast forward the video so that we're done quickly. All right, and we are finished. Thanks for drawing with us today. Kids, have your parents take a picture of your art and send it to the email on the screen, and maybe on the next episode, your artwork will be highlighted. We'll see you next time.
Bye.
Bye.